Hey guys, welcome again. Here we go. We are right here. I'm happy to introduce that we have finally crossed the new bridge. Here we are with the TPO roof system. We have our Antonio here that's working on one of our TPO roofs up here in North Phoenix. I'm happy to introduce it. It's brand new to Five Guys. Doing some spot checkings here with this probe here. Basically what we got is we're wrapping around these parapet walls. We got some heat welds is what they're called. So if I just kind of insert the probe in here, make sure that this is all welded together. It's all heat welded together and it actually melts, causing that for the roof to get watertight. So these guys have done a fabulous, just a marvelous job sealing this whole entire roof. These two sections are now watertight. We're actually going to move this way onto the east side.